Feel like a kid on Christmas morning. This is so exciting. The great unveiling. So this is our guinea pig today. This is a mirror. I've already covered it up because the sun was blinding me in the reflection. And we are going to use these extra race bibs to decorate along the edges of it here. So this is what we need for this project. We need wallpaper paste, painter's tape, brush, scissors, extra bibs, a mirror, and a helper. All right, so we had to move inside because it was honestly super hot outside, and now it starts looking like it's gonna rain. So I don't know, inside's better right now. So again, we've got mirror covered up, and then we've got all of the bibs that I picked out. So the ones that have just something fun, like either at the top or the bottom, something that you can cut off. So like this is the only part of the bib that I'm gonna keep, and I'm just gonna cut it out, and it's gonna go on like that. But the first thing we need to do is we actually need to go ahead and just sand it. Sanding is complete, but now it's kind of gross with all of this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum, ta-da, all of that off. But vacuuming is not enough, so we're gonna take a wet paper towel and just pull any of the remaining dust that is being stubborn and doesn't want to come off. We are cutting a test strip here, just on the bottom of a bib that doesn't matter at all. We want a template. So just hold it up, fold it around, and get your size. Magic. Mirror is gone, but our cutting board is here. When you're getting that template, take the time to run your nail, a card, something with a good edge, so you can get these creases, since our mirror has those creases, because that's what gonna help you keep those creases on the mirror and give it that depth and dimension that we like so much. Bib tip, any of these timing chips that they put on the back, which while useful in the run, will not help us out at all during this project, so go ahead and take those off.
With an X-Acto knife, go ahead and cut a notch on the left and right hand side of the bib, and then take something with a flat edge, that could be a book, a ruler, something like that, and then use that to create a nice straight line on your bib.
I failed at making it straight, so I called in the expert, and now he's gonna make it straight for me.
To make sure these are straight, line up the non-cut edge on the bottom here. Take your razor blade, just set it there at the top, spin it around, line up your bottom edge, and you can tell we're right there.
Step number 9,632, wallpaper paste, brush, and we're just gonna take that and brush the edges of all this very heavily in wallpaper paste. Like, don't coat the entire mirror here. We just wanna focus one small section at a time. So I'm just gonna start out here to here, and then I'll lay the bibs on it, get that section done before I move on to the next section. We've also got the back of the bib coated in wallpaper paste as well. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure our area is good to go, and then simply place the bib, line it up how we want it, and press it in. All right, going small sections at a time, take your card and run them through the creases very gently, very slowly. Just make sure it's all looking good. I'm finding that the hardest part is keeping this edge here stuck down. So just very gently press it in there. You're gonna have the most trouble with the corners, because if you think about it, you're taking just this rectangular square and forcing it to curve. So don't worry, don't get frustrated. Everything is okay. You just need to have some patience, which for me is incredibly hard because I have the patience of a gnat. But I promise you it is all going to pay off in the end. If you have a mirror like this one that has like these multiple ridges and grooves, I would recommend also including a Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive spray to Hi. Hi. To the wallpaper paste, just to add a little bit more stickiness and tact. Your spray glue, you just boop boop, and push those little tails in, hold it in, let it dry. Just do that on every corner until those little tails are tucked in and wrapped up nice. Before the glue completely dries, go ahead and peel off your painter's tape and newspaper, paper towels, whatever you use to cover it up. So that way that doesn't dry to the painter's tape. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. This is so exciting. The great unveiling. There we go. Oh. Ooh. Pull it up a little bit, that's okay. Just stick it right back down. This mirror turned out so stinking cool. Like, those bibs on it and everything. It doesn't even look like the same mirror, which is kind of the point of the project, to be honest. But I'm still blown away with how cool this is. And as always, like and subscribe for more content, more drone videos, running videos, crafts, scooter videos, basically all the cool stuff in the world. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. And this is what happened to our helper. The union got to him, and now he's not doing any work. Look at that. Disappointing, Lampy. Disappointing. At least you're cute.